Guys, I got my iPad. Let's unbox it.
Tell me it's alright. That's all I wanted from you. Look me in my eyes. I wanna say that I'm sorry I hurt you, and I'm not sure how we got here. All this pain and all this agony, 'cause I'm a mess when you're not here. When we just fight, it gets the best of me. Every day is so long. Tell me where we went wrong, and I just wanna make things right with you. I'm so lost in the weight of the world is
One eternity later.
feel this way. Tell me I will be okay. I'm so lost, baby. I'm so lost without you. I'm so lost without you. As seconds go by, we run out of time, and I looked in your eyes, and I get high, and I'm not sure how we got here. All this pain and all this agony, 'cause I'm a mess when you're not here.
Oh my god. Look at this beauty.
Day is so long. Tell me where we went wrong. It's been so damn hard to do anything without you. I'm so lost, and the weight of the world is on my shoulders. We fell off, and as time ran on, my heart got
के लिए ऊपर स्वाइप करें, कर दिया. इंग्लिश चूज करें, कर लिया. इंडिया के हैं हम, बिल्कुल. ब्रिंग योर करंट आईफोन और आईपैड नियर. मेरे पास कोई आईफोन या आईपैड नहीं है, तो अपन सेटअप मैनुअली करें. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad.
A few moments later.
Continue.
Tell me where we went wrong. It's been so damn hard to do anything without you. I'm so lost.
After creating the Apple ID, the setup was finally complete. And here is my Apple Pencil. This is second generation, so it has a magnetic connector.
Tell me it's alright. That's all I wanted from you. Look me in my eyes. I wanna say
मजा आया. हाँ ठीक है, लिख रही हूँ मैं.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
Then I tried charging it. It takes थोड़ा ज़्यादा time to charge completely, but it also lasts very long. Let's play Asphalt 8 and see the graphics. Oh my. Look at the graphics and the sound. Like, volume button actually changes sides. It depends upon orientation, which is the volume up and which is the volume down. Nice. Confusing.
Now let's check the camera quality. So there are a lot of colorful things here.
And this is the picture. Nice clarity. And I've got this cover from Amazon. I will put the link in the description.
Tell me it's alright. That's all I wanted from you. Look me in my eyes. I wanna say.
Two stands, like one is the typing position and the other one is watching or viewing position, which is good, and it is magnetic, so yeah.
Just fight, it gets the best of me. Every day is so long. Tell me where we went wrong, and I just wanna make things right with you.
Now let's see the features of the Apple Pencil. This is the thin line, and as we tilt it, the line becomes broader. With light pressure, this is the opacity, and as the pressure increases, the opacity also increases. Also, double tap gets an eraser, and there is the same thing. With tilt, the size of the eraser changes. Actually, there is a setting in which you can change the double tap, either to go to the eraser or the last used pen.
As seconds go by, we run out of time, and I looked in your eyes, and I get high, and I'm not sure how we got here.